Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add new contacts on WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you need to add a new contact or delete an existing one, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, open the WhatsApp and go to the chats. Then click on the plus sign in the upper right corner and select a new contact. Here we need to specify the last name and first name, country and phone number, then click save. If a friend is not in WhatsApp, you can send him a notification. So let's look at how to delete a contact. Go back and click on the contact that we want to delete, then click on its name from above, select edit in the upper right corner and click delete contact. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about WhatsApp at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.